Today we're at Bells Rapids, but a little bit further downstream. Not many people come here, but it's I mean, Bells Rapids as a whole is one of the most beautiful spots around Perth. I think the most. So this is a little bit downriver, and what we've come here to do is just see how well the Mavic Mini 2 copes with water. Now I'm not going to risk it too much. The Mavic Mini 1 was a disaster. It had no downward sensors whatsoever, and I lost one. I'll put a link to that below, a little bit about it. It was replaced with DJI, no problem. I'm right on the surface of the water. I can see very clearly. I've got a little LED light on the back of my drone, Mavic 2, and I can gauge exactly how far it is off the surface of the water. Some preliminary tests have shown me that it's very good. So we're going to put it to the test, but not on it, 'cause I'm not going to risk losing the drone. I'm going to keep it well above the water, as close as I can get safely to the surface of the water without losing.